Do you know many people are having trouble with using the air fry mode on their Hamilton Beach Sure Crisp 31416? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this.
Let's start.
Step 1. Plug in fryer. Step 1. Plug in the fryer and rotate the function dial to air fry mode. Step 2. Insert rack and food. Step 2. Insert the oven rack, place food in the air frying basket, and keep it 1 inch away from the heating element. Step 3. Set temperature dial. Step 3. Turn the temperature dial to the air fry position. Step 4. Set timer. Step 4. Set the timer by rotating it clockwise past 10. The timer will sound off when done. Step 5. Control time manually. Step 5. To manually control the cooking time, rotate the timer counterclockwise to stay on while holding the side buttons. Step 6. Unplug fryer. Step 6. Once cooking is complete, unplug the fryer. By following these steps, you should now be able to air fry effortlessly with your Hamilton Beach Sure Crisp 31416. Happy cooking! Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Hamilton Beach users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.